What's going on, fellas? I'm in glorious Minnesota right now on the Superior Hiking Trail. Just got on it about 10 minutes ago, and I'm with a couple of Hammock Forum members, Grape Nut, and I'm sure you guys have seen him before in these videos. And we're also with a Life Outdoors. He has graciously came along with us to give us the tour of the Superior Hiking Trail. Today we're doing about 8 miles. It's about 10 o'clock right now, and we're at Crosby, Manitou, and we're hiking north to Caribou River. So hopefully see some good sights along the way. Alright, so just a little update. We're about 3/4 of the mile in, and right now we're kind of off to my left is the Caribou River, and the weather is just perfect. When I left home, it was 96 degrees with 60% humidity. Come up here, and I think the high today is supposed to be 71. The lows tonight are supposed to be in the 40s. Perfect weather for hammock camping. Alright, trail update. We're on Horseshoe Ridge now. We just climbed out of the Manitou River Valley. And for those of you who don't know, it's a pretty good steep climb. I checked the stats, and it's about 400 feet elevation gain in probably, I don't know exactly, but somewhere between 100 and 150 yards. That's it, man. It was fun. Alright, so we're about 4 miles in. It's lunchtime. We're about ready to have a quick lunch and finish the rest of this trail up. So what are you thinking about the trail so far? You're on candid camera now.
I think it's wonderful. I can't believe how the temperature mostly. But the terrain, it's very similar to the Appalachians on what we've been so far. Some ups and downs, rocky. Decent views. Lake Superior is pretty awesome. Majestic. Those are probably the words I'd use. But the weather mostly is just gorgeous. The company's, it's kind of sketchy, but Sean's pretty cool. But I don't know about you, man.
Why, thank you. Yeah, that's Sean. Y'all didn't meet Sean. That's a Life Outdoors from Hammock Forums.
Howdy.
And the best company at all is Sadie.
Companion, lover, dog, or bear alarm.
Alright, we're back on the trail. Just left Horseshoe Ridge campsite. That's where we had lunch at. Pretty nice little campsite. They got a water there. They got a privy, fire ring, some benches to sit on. A little bit of climb out when you leave, but it's not too bad. Just enough to get the heart pumping. And I had packet gourmets, pizza margarita wrap for lunch. Wow. So once you climb out of Horseshoe Ridge campsite, wow, you're rewarded with this. Again, Lake Superior. Been seeing bits and pieces of it all day. Every time you go up a hill, most of the time, you're rewarded with Lake Superior. What a beautiful lake. Love it. Check out the Superior Hiking Trail. You will not be disappointed. My gracious goodness. And this camera does not do this justice. I know it doesn't. Anyway, I guess I better quit lollygagging. The other two guys are probably way ahead of me by now. I mean, I just keep stopping just to take in the sights. But hey, hike your own hike. That's what it's all about. Ooh, another big Christmas tree. These things are everywhere. A lot of this, and a lot of white birch. Some of the prettiest birch trees I've ever seen. Mainly I'm used to, you know, river birch. So this is a nice sight for me. All right, we made it to camp. Gonna go set up my hammock. All right, so we're about ready to review Heather's Choice Chipotle Cherry Chili, and we're gonna let y'all know how it tastes.
Hey, let me tell you what. While Jax wasn't looking, I reached in there and I grabbed a little chunk of it. And my initial impression from eating a little small piece of this, because I have something to compare it to, which is my spaghetti, which I know is just wonderful. The cherry thing, which sounds kind of weird, is actually a diabolical idea. I think this is going to be awesome, dude. That's my prediction. It's good dry, I'll tell you that much.
Ooh, I'm focusing on a little bit. There we go.
You know, hook it up with some of that.
All right.